Parmigiani Fleurier returns in 2025 with two stunning new takes on its most refined creation, the Toric Petite Seconde. The Toric holds a special place in Parmigiani's history. It was the very first watch designed by founder Michel Parmigiani, and today it's reimagined under CEO Guido Terrani as a modern expression of timeless elegance. This year, we get two equally sophisticated editions, the Platinum Golden Hour and the Rose Gold Dune. Both share the elegant proportions of the updated Toric, 40.6 millimeters wide, just 8.8 millimeters thin, with the signature polished case and single knurled bezel, now sleeker and more refined than ever. The Golden Hour pairs a platinum case with a hand-finished, salmon-toned solid gold dial. It's understated, yet radiant, matched with white gold markers and a hand-stitched nubuck alligator strap in soft Accoya gray. The Rose Gold Dune embraces warm monochrome. Its 18-karat rose gold case is paired with a darker, grained gold dial, crafted using a traditional hand-finishing method with natural compounds for texture. Sand-colored nubuck strap, gold hands, and applied markers complete this tone-on-tone masterpiece. Inside both watches beats Parmigiani's in-house caliber PF 780. Unlike the understated exterior, the movement is lavish. 18-karat rose gold bridges with Côte de Fleurier, polished bevels, twin barrels for 60 hours of power, and a 4 Hz beat rate. Its exuberance reserved for the wearer. The new Parmigiani Toric Petite Seconde Platinum Golden Hour and Rose Gold Dune will join the permanent collection this September, priced at 150,000 Swiss francs, 54,000 and 47,000 Swiss francs, respectively. Modern elegance, timeless heritage, the Toric embodies both. And if you enjoyed this look into Parmigiani's latest releases, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next watch review.